Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Patrick and Partners along with Bob Iacino. Super fast crypto update tonight. Bitcoin, Ethereum still in consolidation mode. This 4-hour chart, you see moving averages have gone flat, which happens in consolidation. Minor levels we're watching, we're not really paying attention to the rotation zone right now. If we get a close, I'm going to be watching right around about, we can just say 5,100. To close below 5,100, we'll start watching for a drop to retest some of these key lows. About 4,800, 4,691, which is roughly 4,700, then all the way down to 4,432. To the upside, I put the minor levels on there for everybody. So above 55.25. We'll be watching just for that spike high, 55.69, just as a minor level. The major levels, 57.11, then 58.53, then 59.85. So if we break out the upside, those are your key upside levels. To the downside, I just listed them. Daily chart, you can see here, we got the rotation zone coming down. Rotation zone lining up right now, right with about this 57. Let me move these. Ratios, preferences, preferences, align, middle. You can see here the rotation zone. Let me zoom in just above this area. So I'm going to be focusing on about this 57.11 and slightly above there. If we start rallying to return to the rotation zone, we're burning off our oversold condition by moving sideways. So remember, two ways to work off overbought or oversold. Let's just talk about oversold right now. Either drift sideways or retrace. Right now we're drifting sideways. So as this moving average, which is the 8 EMA, gets closer and closer, I'm going to be watching for us to break out of this range. So that's what we're watching for. So on any rally, really key in off just above that 5,700 level. And then the upside of the rotation zone, if we have a very strong rally, is coming in about 7,050. So I'll be watching 7,000 right now. Ethereum, same thing. Where rotation zone is still above Ethereum, providing some resistance. So if we get a close about 119, 121.50, 124.11, and 126.74 are my levels. See upside if we get above the rotation zone. And that would also be starting to break out to the upside. Key support now coming in about 112. If we get below 112, be watching for 108, and then a potential return to the 100 mark. Out of oversold on the 4-hour. Let's take a look at that daily. On the daily, let me move these again. Ratios align, middle, there we go. So you can see this consolidation inside bar so far today. So if we were to rally, these are your minor levels. The major area we'll be watching is up at the top of these candle bodies and the rotation zone, right around 134, 134.25. So on any rally, 134.25, and then you see those other levels that have not changed to the upside. Very low volume. So again, as this keeps coming down, we're going to start watching for cryptos to break out. They're really consolidating. If we get any probably overall broad rally in the markets, they've somewhat stabilized into this afternoon a bit after dropping again. I'm expecting a breakout to the upside, but that's just what I'm expecting. Do not have a pattern yet. It's just based off being in the markets for so long. I would not be surprised to see a rally, but I'm waiting for price action confirmation. Just because I think it should be doesn't mean you trade it, doesn't mean I trade it. It just means that's where I'm leaning. So I might get a little more aggressive if we start rallying, but no solid pattern until we do break out. So we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.